Welcome to Vision Plus and welcome back to this Senior Pro Mathematics. We are now doing example 3 under the equation of a circle. Example 3 says that we are given centers and radii of different circles and that we need to find the equation of each circle. So, part A says that we are given center 2, 7 out of 4 and radius 1 out of 4 root of 113. What do we need to do? Let us write the general form of the equation of a circle, which is given as x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. This is what you must keep in your head, and you must know that a and b are the coordinates of the center a and b, and then r is the radius of the circle, which is given there. So let us substitute for a, b, and r. This now gives us x minus a. What is a? A is 2 in the first case, close bracket squared, plus y minus b. What is b? B is simply 7 out of 4 squared. And then this equals to, what is our r? Our r is 1 out of 4 root of 113. But remember, we are squaring r squared. So this side is okay because we have single signs in the brackets. Now the only part we need to simplify is this side. So now this gives us here x minus 2 squared plus y minus 7 out of 4 squared equals to, and then you press the calculator, 1 out of 4 root of 113 squared. So I'm going to get my calculator. What is 1 out of 4? 1 out of 4 is the same as 0.25. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. This means that we have 0.25 root of 113. So we open the bracket and say 0.25 root of 113, close the bracket, but we are squaring it. So we press squared. I'm getting 7.0665. That is the square of the radius. Let me confirm again. 0.25 root of 113 square. Yes, it is correct. So this is the answer for part A. That is the equation of the circle with that center and the radius. And then going to part B. Part B says that the center is 0, 0, center 0, 0, and radius is 4 units. What does it mean if the center is 0, 0? If the center is 0, 0, that means that the circle is about the origin. It means that the center of the circle is at the origin with coordinates 0, 0. Some questions can even say that find the equation of a circle whose center is at the origin and has a radius of 4. So it is you to know that if the center is at the origin, it means the coordinates of the center are 0, 0. So these are the coordinates A and B. First, start by writing the equation of a circle, which is given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. In that manner, equals to r squared. Then we substitute for a, b, and r. X minus a. What is a? A is 0 squared plus y minus b. What is b? B is also 0 squared equals to r. What is r? R is 4 squared. X minus 0 is x. Here we shall have x squared plus y minus 0 is y. Therefore, y squared equals to 4 squared is 16. So this is the answer for part B. That is the equation of the circle that is centered at 0, 0 and has a radius of 4 units. And finally, part C. Part C says that the center is given as 1 and negative 2, and that radius is given as root of 29. Simply, what do you need to do? What we need to do here is write the general form of the equation of the circle, which is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to root of 29. Then we substitute for A and B. In the formula, this is still R squared plus. Then we substitute for A, B and R, where here we shall have x minus A, which is 1 squared, plus y minus B. What is B? B is negative 2 squared, equals to R, which is root of 29 squared. If you see any set, it is better you put the square outside the brackets. You create brackets. So from here now, we need to simplify these two signs, because this is the sign of the formula, this is the sign of the value of B, negative 2. So here we shall have x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2. These two signs are going to create a positive sign, squared, equals to, what is the square root of 29 squared? Square root of 29 squared is 29. Yes, the square root of 29 and square it. It leaves us 29 units. So this is the answer for part C. You have seen here also that if the given coordinate is negative, then the resultant answer in that part of that coordinate should be positive. Why? Because the two signs interact and change into a positive sign. So this is the solution to example 3. Thank you.